Virat Kohli scored his 51st ODI century and gunned down another perfect chase as India beat Pakistan by 6 wickets to complete a famous win. A wicket came a bit too late for Pakistan, as, despite Shreyas Iyer's departure, India are on course to register a win. Virat Kohli is motoring along towards a 51st ODI century to put India's one foot into the semi-final. Iyer had been equally impressive. Kohli celebrated 14,000 runs in ODI cricket to shepherd India's chase of 242 against Pakistan in Dubai. And in the process, became the fastest Indian batter to reach the milestone, going past the legendary Sachin Tendulkar. More importantly, Kohli and Shreyas Iyer put on a century partnership to ensure India didn't stumble after Shubman Gill's dismissal. Gill's carnage was ended by Abrar Ahmed, who produced a ball that pitched on middle leg and crashed onto the top of the off stump. Gill's assault on Shaheen Afridi wiped the happiness of Rohit Sharma's wicket off the face of Pakistan bowlers. Pakistan had their moment. Gill hit the ball to Khushdal Shah at mid-wicket, but he made an absolute meal of it. Shaheen buried his face, while Haris Rauf held his head. Mohammad Rizwan couldn't believe it either. India rolling along nicely with Gill after Rohit Sharma was out for 20. Pakistan went through several ebbs and flows in the game to be bowled out for 241 inside 50 overs against India in Dubai. After losing 2 wickets in 10 overs, Mohammad Rizwan and Saad Shakil added a century partnership. They struggled initially but got the job done, breaking the shackles timely. However, just when Pakistan seemed to be wrestling back control, the collective efforts of Kuldeep Yadav, Akshar Patel and Hardik Pandya derailed their progress. Had it not been for Khushdal Shah's 39, even 200 looked tough for Pakistan. Kuldeep was the best Indian bowler on show, picking 340ths, and Hardik returning figures of 231sts in 8 overs. Virat Kohli completed the 157th catch of his ODI career, thus becoming India's most successful catcher in the format. India gave nothing away since Kuldeep dismissed Salman Agha and Shaheen Afridi to be placed on a hat-trick. Akshar, Hardik and Jadeja collectively chipped in to add to Pakistan's woes as the defending champions lost Mohammad Rizwan, Saad Shakil and Tayyib Tahir in a space of 3 overs. Harshit Rana dropped Rizwan on 44, letting go of a golden opportunity for India to break the partnership. But the men in blue didn't need to wait longer though, as Akshar cleaned up the Pakistan captain in the very next over. After losing Babar Azam after a promising start and then Imam ul Haq to a fabulous direct hit from Akshar, Pakistan desperately needed a partnership, and Rizwan and Shakil provided exactly that. After a long period of being stuck, Rizwan and Shakil found their flow, scoring a flurry of boundaries before India broke through. The Pakistan innings was gaining some serious steam, with Shakil raising his 4th ODI half-century. Rizwan had also picked up pace, nearing a 50 of his own. With time running out, Rizwan and Saad finally cut loose. After almost 50 balls without a boundary, Pakistan have hit 4 in 3 overs to get going in this partnership of 50 plus. This happened after the boundaries dried up, and dot balls increased. Rizwan had played almost 50 balls with a strike rate of 40.91 and Shakil was not better. Their approach had left broadcasters and commentators baffled as India continued to speed through overs, tying down Pakistan's run rate. Rohit Sharma had gone off the field briefly, and in his absence, Shubman Gill had taken over as India captain. And boy, what a job he did. It took Pakistan 32 balls to score their first boundary since the last one, a testament to how tight Akshar and Hardik bowled. Earlier, India endured an injury scare when Mohammad Shami bowled just 2 overs before the India pacer complained of pain in his leg. After the physio took a good look at him, Shami completed the over but left the field to get some treatment. This was after he opened the proceedings for India with an 11-ball over, giving away 5 wides. India vs Pakistan, head-to-head record in ODIs. Matches played, 135. India won, 57. Pakistan won, 73. Last 5 matches, India 5-0.